Welcome to Raja Susila Holistics. Let's check the energies for Arians this week. How your energies are there, how it's going to be this week, what are the main things you have to focus this week, and what this week is going to be, in which direction it's going to be. The first card for you is authenticity, and authenticity is the card for being genuine, what you are and how you need to be. You need to be genuine to yourself rather than thinking about others and their importance. It's better that you stick to your own qualities, what your soul says. You need to listen to your inner soul. That is the integrity that every person needs. Integrity leads to genuinity and the soul satisfaction. And the other card for you is effortless connection. It says that it is a card which connects with your crown chakra. It says that the crown chakra is such a chakra which has the direct contact and oneness with the God. So it says that there is no separation between you and the divine source from where you have come. So this card of effortless connection gives you the direct connection with the higher self. The higher self is always present with you. You need to identify the connection between you and your higher self. For this you need to be with integrity. Now we will check what the present energies say about you, how far you need to be focused in these things and all. So the cards you are getting this week is Garnet. It says that you need to purify yourself and detoxify yourself. Detoxifying yourself means that your mind, body and soul, somewhere some toxic things may have entered your aura, so you need to detoxify it. And also it doesn't rule out that you detoxify and purify your atmosphere, the people around you, the thoughts, what you get and with whom you mingle and what you do, that all you need to detoxify so that you can be with more integrity in life. The second card you have got is titanium rainbow quartz. This says there are many layers and dimensions to the situation or person you are asking about. Maybe this card says that you are asking about some person or some situation in your life about which you need to have some clarification, but that card says that the person or the situation in which you are dealing with or you are having some query about it has multi-facets in it. You need to understand it with inner depth about it. It's not just like that you go by the outer surface and know. And the other card for you is Aqua Aura. Healthy communication is in relationship. So it is understood that your query is somewhere around your relationships. So this card says remove all toxic thoughts from your mind. That's what this card says. And this card says that you need to have a healthy communication to bring your relationship to the other to the next level. You have to sit and talk and have a clear cut communication. In that circumstance, in that situation, you need to maintain your authenticity and integrity to bring lot of changes in your relationship and whatever it is. And it will bring a endless connection between you and the other person, so that there is no separation between you, either it is physical or mental. That's what this card says. And the other card is Moldavite. This card says your unique qualities are an important part of your life. It's okay to feel and different from others. You are a person who are different from others. There is nothing wrong in being different. You can't go by a flow. You are not a sheep that you go by the herd. You are a completely different person. So it makes you stand apart from others. So sometimes it acquires a lot of charisma in you, and most of the times it is jealous upon you. So it is quite common when you stand apart from others, but it is good for you to be genuine. The card of authenticity once again says that you need to be integrity with you and authenticate yourself what you are. And wellness, the recovery of health and wellness is here. Recovery of health and wellness is not just physical health or anything of that sort. It can be that also, we can't rule it out. But here when we see the whole cards are telling upon your relationship, we can say that there is a lot of recovery in your mental health and emotional health, because healthy communication in relationship card has also come. You need to understand your partner, because your partner may be a person of multifaceted, so you need to understand with inner depth and do a healthy communication with integrity from your side, and that will help you to recover from all your past trauma and heal yourself. And the other card is prosperity. There is a positive shift in your flow of divine support. The divine energy says that there is a tremendous inflow of blessings to you from the higher realms to bring prosperity. Prosperity means not only abundance in finance and other earthly matters, it also deals with your emotional self. A lot of prosperity and abundance coming in your way. Maybe it is because of your authenticity and your integrity when with healthy communication. That's what this card says. Now let's see what the tarot card stand gives you the reading for you this week for Arians, whether it is your relationship part or your career part, and whatever it is, what the cards say. Let's see. The first card for you is the World. The World card says that change is coming in your way. The way you wanted to happen from last so many years, changes are coming your way. So you can be more confident that this time period of this 1 week or 10 days, whatever, lot of changes there. The flow of divine energy is also there abundantly on you. So the World card suggests that lot of changes are coming in your way for a better life prospects in your life. The other card is 9 of Cups that says that you will be placed in a comfortable place where your emotions, your abundant, your material life, in all self you are contented with peace of mind. Abundance and contentment doesn't mean just only your finances, your health and all. It also relates to your emotional life, which says that this card assures you that you will be in a contented way of life that you will lead for the coming days. And 8 of Pentacles says that this the time has come for you to reap what you have done in the past, but the only thing that you need to follow this week is to have a little bit patience. The patience will pay off you this week. That's what this card says. And Knight of Swords says that whatever changes are going to come is going to happen in speed, with rapid speed. So much changes will come that you can't expect things to happen to so fast. So it will be very fast, and it will be a action packed week for you as far as the other person's attitude towards you is. And card for you Five of Pentacles says that somewhere in your deep heart you are not happy. That is because of some past trauma. You feel very lonely, but the changes are coming because of the World card has come. So changes will come. So you need to overcome the toxic feeling from your mind. That's what this card also says. Purification and toxic detoxification you need to do, because lot of the toxic is in your mind because of the past trauma you have undergone. And the Death card has come. It is a very good sign for you that all your pains and all are going to come to an end, and a new era is going to start as promised by the World card. So you can be lay assured that things are going to be in your favor. Now let's see what the Ascension cards have in store for you this week. The first card for you is Buddha. It says, live in state of peace, compassion and enlightenment. I am with everyone and everything. That's the card. This card says that the divine blessings are with you. You need to be assured that your life is taken care by a higher dimensional energy, and you need to be with peace and compassion with others and enlightened. Your inner wisdom and inner light should come up to give you wisdom and to be with integrity. That's what this card says. So the other card for you is Lord Maitreya. He says that examine every area of your life carefully and practice purity of thought, word and deed. The second card for you to detoxify yourself. What you think, rather this is the third card for you. This one card and this card, and this is the third card. That lot of negative energies are also being stacked up in your mind, which says that you need to detoxify to attract good things in life. If you do that carefully, practice it with meditation and purity of thought and how you talk with others with integrity and authenticity. Be what you are. You need not act for anyone to please or anyone or make someone happy. And Archangel Metatron's retreat, spiritual throat chakra, link telepathically with all life forms. Someone of your person or someone wants to telepathically link with you, and Metatron is giving you the message that they want to contact you with telepathically in mind. So be assured that things are coming in your way, and the blessings of Archangel Metatron is there for you. You can pray for him, you can ask his help to help you to detoxify yourself and bring changes in your life with rapid speed. There is rapid speed changes in your life as far as the Knight of Swords card says, but that change will come only with patience. Patience is very important for you this week. And Mother Mary's aquamarine mantle says, open your heart, angels will sing blessings for you. So this is the fourth again card for you, that the higher realms is sending blessings and this for you. The Malachite card also says divine thing is coming your way, and the Jade card also says the divine healing is going to take place. So Mother Mary's aquamarine mantle says that you need to open your heart and allow the angels to sing blessings for you. And the other card for you, the conclusion card, what I am going to take is Neptune. It says Archangel Sandalphon nourishes your divine potential and will help you download the spiritual light you are waiting for. So Archangel Sandalphon always gives messages in the form of some voices coming in your ear, or you know the messages through some divine music coming in your mind again and again, which give you motivation to overcome all your negative energies and to detoxify yourself. So the conclusion message for you this week is concentrate on some divine music and stay attuned that some major changes are coming your way this week, because some lot of bad things or the things which were making you restless is going to come to an end and a new era is going to start. The only thing is you need to detoxify your thoughts. So these are the energies for you guys. If you like our channel, like, share and subscribe.